Yes, of course. And since you and Dakila are your best friend, he wants to give you a very special treat. And that's a big, wet, juicy, fishy kiss. So, Mami, are you excited for the kiss? Yes, okay, why don't we try asking Dakila? Hey, Dakila, are you excited to kiss Mika? See that? Yes, really. Now, but before you do it, I'll show you first how it's done, okay? So all you have to do is just lean towards the Dakila of your cheek, and he will give you a very gentle kiss, just like this, okay? Now your turn out, so fix your hand, please. Then offer your cheek. And hold it! Wow, that was a juicy one! So now, kiss, you like it? Yes, that's really great, Dakila's kiss on the scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the best kiss you've ever had. What would it be? And wow, perfect score, great job, Dakila! So, Miss Nika, does that mean that Dakila's kiss is even better than your special someone's kiss? Do you have your special someone with you, Matt? So, Matt, is he better? Yes! So, may mga asan yung special someone niyo, ma'am? Kasama niyo po ba? Asan po siya? Raise your hands, sir, where are you? Come on, show us, raise your hands! Okay, you know what, sir, Dakila has a message for you. And what's that, Dakila? Come on, speak up! Okay, you know what, there's my name, Dakila? See that, sir? Bend down. He thinks that he is better than you. Well, of course, we're only kidding, so please have a big round of applause for our lucky guest. You may now take your seat and enjoy the rest of the show. Okay, now you, Dakila. Go to observing on. Okay, now moving on. To stay in shape, the Marine Patrol likes to compete in an exciting contest of strength and agility. And that is the Sea Lion Feet Challenge. So again, I'm looking for another volunteer from the audience who thinks that he is strong and bring up challenger courage, Captain Dakila. Okay, so people that are getting you, please have a very big hand. Now, let's now have a big round of applause for this great gentleman. Wow. Okay, hi sir, good afternoon. What's your name? Okay, Sir Jay, are you ready to show us what body you are? Hey sir, now, did you know what you volunteered for? Walang idea. Okay, ganito na lang sir. If you want, why don't you come be on the stage and I'll explain to you, sir? On stage tayo, sir. Wala?